Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable slow keys on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Accessibility tile, and then go down again underneath physical keyboard options where it says slow keys. Adjust the time it takes for a key press to activate to 500 milliseconds. If you want to turn that on, just click inside the oval one time to enable that. Otherwise, you can turn it off by clicking inside the oval one more time to disable that option. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.